Hey, this is Colin with Faster Moto Decals. Today we're going to take this 25 Road Glide and we're going to do a full graphics kit on it. First we're going to remove the emblems, then lay down everything else. So if you order online, this will be how your package comes. You'll go ahead and open the box. You'll have your kit, installation QR code to scan, and it'll come with a squeegee applicator. That way you'll be ready to go.